Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're looking for some free KDP interiors, then you come to the right video, because this is me, Jay. This is my channel, Make Money with Jay, and I make videos showing you how to create colouring pages, how to make KDP books, how to make printables over on Etsy. I make money on KDP and on Etsy. I show my income reports, I show how to make these things, I even show KDP niche ideas, yeah? But in this video we're going to look at how to get some free KDP interiors. Now, feel free, if you're new here, to check out any of these videos. I'm only a small channel, but any views help and I appreciate it, yeah? So, basically we're going to jump right into it, yeah, and you come over to my Christmas Everyday Club website, yeah, this is it, Christmas Everyday Club, and you can read these blog posts if you want, guys, but you're here for one thing, yeah, colouring pages, yeah. So I do different themes, like look, we've got camping, we've got space, we've got Christmas ones, we've got 4th of July, we've got Mother's Day, we've got many more, guys. If you click on this bit here, right, I'll just show you now, yeah, click on here where it says colouring pages, yeah, it will let you basically go straight to all the pages, right? Let's see if I can do it. Let's turn this off. Not sure how to turn it off, guys. Right. Sorry guys, I'm new to this application now. Good drawing, right? Yeah. We click on there, colouring pages. Yeah. And it'll bring up all the posts, yeah, that I've done. Look, so we've got Mother's Day, we've got Easter, we've got, this is random, this one, right? So if you click on this one, it will have different ones inside it. So we've got Under the Sea, we've got Queen's Platinum Jubilee colouring pages, we've got football, guys might call it soccer, but yeah, it's football. We've got Cowboys in the Wild West, we've got donuts, we've got unicorns, and I'm going to add lots more, guys, yeah? But if we come back to the main page, yeah, scroll down again, we've got activity pages as well, guys. We've got printable party games, so you can use any of these, guys, and or any of the colouring pages and make your own books, colouring books, activity books, yeah. If you scroll down here, it shows here, or you can click on this where it says freebies, guys, yeah. Click on where it says freebies, it will open up all the different like, look, you got your self-care, you got your colouring pages, space colouring pages, activity pages, yeah, you name it, guys. And I'm always going to add more, guys, so if you want to keep coming back and claiming new, you can use these for your books, guys, yeah. Download them, they're free, yeah. Upload them to your colouring books, yeah. Just mix and match them, yeah. Don't just download like all 5, or I don't know, all these and then just make one book. Like, make your own as well, or just keep coming back, make just a multiple colouring book, yeah, guys. So that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, yeah. Like I said, come and look. If you want to know how I create these colouring pages, feel free to look at watch some of these videos, yeah. Like they're the space ones I made, the camping ones I made. Here's my Etsy earnings, my best ever month on KDP. Some more niches, Christmas colouring pages for adults, yeah. Unicorn ones, yeah, guys, you name it. So feel free to come and watch them, guys. I appreciate it. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already. And that is it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.